how to change your profile picture on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and click on your profile and then just click edit, and here you will find more information. Click on it, and not more information, here you will find your profile picture. Click on it and click choose from album, and then just click here and choose any photo you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.